I ain't worth more than they thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put his spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way B, you will find liberty and have peace every damn way. Gotta give thanks, gotta pray. Whatever my hands gotta do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the paint. Bottle in my face, I don't want.
Hey, yo, what's Gucci Nate gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's good? I'm NayNay. Sorry, my energy is not the same, y'all. I haven't met her, but I did want to film this for you all. So I am about to clean and organize my little work drawer to put all my inventory and stuff in. That right there. Hold on. That. So I'm gonna be cleaning out because there's stuff already in there. I'm gonna be cleaning that out, and I'm gonna be organizing my stuff. But I have to actually like clean and wipe it down first. So I'm gonna be doing that. So I'm gonna be doing that, and you all can just watch me. I don't know what kind of angle this joint is going to be at because, yeah, filming on my laptop with my webcam. So, yeah, I'm going to just try to get the best angle for you guys. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe. Down below, hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video. Excuse me. And, yeah, just watch me clean and organize and all that, you feel me? So enjoy, guys. Alright, so real quick, I just want to say, like, I literally had to clean this out. You all will see, but, like, I literally had to, like, really clean this out because this was an old organizer, but, you know, as long as you clean it and sanitize it, then you good. So, yeah, that's what it was. So, right now, I'm just really taking out everything and looking through it because this is not mine. This was my parents. They just let me have it. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. Also, I hope that you enjoy the video. I do come back at the end, so make sure you stay tuned for that and have fun watching me clean and organize and jam some music. So I will see y'all when I come back when I'm done everything. Yo, peace.
Okay, this one for my mama's probably going through some drama. Shorty, stop it, girl, I got you. Probably throw a couple commas at you. I ain't on no Pokemon, but if I throw, I gotta catch you. Got it, bitch, now let's switch to the album. Okay, young hoes, I can't even lie. You can still come over as long as you got a good head on your shoulder. I love them bad and bougies, might put that ass in movies. The type with natural beauty that even match jacuzzis. I like the shy girls that be getting white girl wasted. That decision making, but never let it fade. If she ghetto coming out the metals, come hop on my huevos. Even deep, rockin' heavy metal, push that to the pedal. Hey, I just don't know, I can ain't no. I just like a lot of bitches. Boy, you be a fucking punk as if you got a problem with it. I like them a lot, bitch. I like them a lot, bitch. I like them a lot, damn. I like them a lot. Okay, shout out to the ones who kinda chat. Y'all boys must be dumb, cause they didn't want to pick it up and drop it back. This one for my yucky ducky with that sucky fucky. She a freak, even up in public. Just come up and touch me, hey. I like them a lot. I like them a lot, hey. I like them a lot. I like them, I like them. Man, it been dry out here, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. That corona no joke, bro. Man, y'all stay inside. Be safe, bro. Hold up. You good, though? Oh,
bitch, don't touch me. That, nah, bitch, don't touch me. Yeah, bitch, don't touch me. That, yeah, bitch, don't touch me.
Cough or sneeze and the chopper might be blessing you. Coronavirus out your catching bodies like you rep the flu. Cough or sneeze and the chopper might be blessing you. Coronavirus out your catching bodies like you rep the flu. Wash your hands, so you did? Well, do the shit again. Wash your hands, let me see you do that shit again. Ayy, I see a lot of people out here getting sick, man. Got me so scared, I won't even buy the 6-pack. Going through wristband after wristband, hoping they won't take me down, that's a quicksand. Hey, real shit, man. Had to get the spick and span. Fabulosa all up in my holster with a face mask. It's best to sanitize, boy. You better recognize. Catch your mind before you touch my hands. Hey, feeling like a man with some hand sanitizer. My life, I ain't trying to jeopardize it. Biologically, we living in a war zone nowadays. Laws with certain marshals. So stay in the house. No need to spread that shit out. Stay quiet like a mouse. Just pay attention. If you have some of these symptoms, better rely on relief. Hey, got a dry cough and a fever. Oh my God, you better be calling out to Jesus. Hey, the shit is set in stone. Plus you weed. And you got some problems with your brain. Cough or sneeze and the chopper might be blessing you. Coronavirus out here catching bodies like you rep the flu. Cough or sneeze and the chopper might be blessing you. Coronavirus out here catching bodies like you rep the flu. Wash your hands, so you did. Well, do the shit again. Wash your hands. Let me see you do the shit again. Cough or sneeze and the chopper might be blessing you. Coronavirus out here catching bodies like you rep the flu. Cough or sneeze and the chopper might be blessing you. Coronavirus out here catching bodies like you rep the flu.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Coronavirus! I'm telling you, shit is real! Shit is getting real!
Lean dropper, big pop, lean dropper. Shout out Montana, right? Lean dropper, big pop, go. Lean dropper, big popper, thinking need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect timing. Recommend they work low harder, switch the grind up temperature, the smoke is rising, where's the hydrant? Night and daily, dollars pay me, I'ma let her drop the draws, do calculations. Me, no oblong, glaze till dollar statements. I fill up the styrofoam, get concentrated. Businessman conglomeration, peso, benefactor, abomination. Bitch, I fitness planet, run the game. Matter of fact, I Michelin man and tired of changing. Better yet, I bridge the gap and bomb the chain. Dismount the ground and gone insane. Inbound the pass and call it game. Superman to Lois Lane. Well established international. Nigga, put your hands up, rob the bank. And where's the cash within the register? Give me Jackson Grants and Benji Franks. Been a savage, been the matter shaking. Don't stir the glass within the drink. For certain curtains to the casket, you impersonators perpetrate. Thinking hustle hard to hustle, man. Maltrust for friends, conduct demands. Never rush, progress, product the digits. Just another day above the critters. Critics don't contemplate, just cut the check. Imperialistic drip, slip, just another victim killed instead. Involvement with the money mission. Been a real nigga since an infant. And addicted to the guap addition. No admission for the peasants and the pigs. We know where Wilbur lives. Hey.
Fuck it. Yeah. Hey. We are not the same. I am an alien. Smoking diesel, trapping with my Taliban. Real shit, folks will drop you. Hit like summer sound. Battle work, get the bread, yeah, that's the plan. Never trust a man, I'm chasing hella bands. Just tryna feed the fans, same time feed the fam. Still screaming free the land. Yeah, I'm on the ass. That codeine in my drink. That gas I smoke it by the half a P. That pistol in my pocket, yeah, I call it Pistol P. When I pull apart, the shit be like, God damn it clean. Got your bitch eyeing me like she wanna fuck on me. Been in the cut, ducking heat, counting up blue seas. On the cloud nine, how she high. Think she fell in love, who she lie. Yeah, you already know. These bros before these old niggas.
for me, be there for me. And if I be a king, would you make an L with me? I hope you see it means a lot of things to me, yeah.
With all this pity, arguments getting kitty. And can we talk this out without one of us walking out? Oh, my heart's really broken out throughout the hatred. Glad to see you smile. Lost emotions, still we love your ass. It's all the same and no backing down. True happiness, something we ain't felt in a while. True shit, miss us raising our child. Asking questions about my profile, no like yes, I fucked up many times about pushing.
I'm done organizing and cleaning stuff out, so I'm gonna just go through the drawers. But first, these are the buckets. These are the buckets I was talking about for like my clean tubes and cleaning my tubes. So that's what this stuff is. Of course, I have my Lysol in the back, which you saw me use to clean with. These are the drawers I was talking about. I have 8 of them. And these are the drawers right here that are going to be used for my jewelry. When I do start having jewelry, I'm going to have my jewelry and stuff in here and some other stuff. In this first drawer, I have my packaging. So I have my bubble mailers in here. I have my labels in here. When I was cleaning out the drawers, I found these bags. So I may use these. I mean, red is not in my color scheme, so I may not use them. But for right now, just depending on how things go, I may have to use them for my lunch because they fit my tubes. So I found these when cleaning out the drawer, and I found ribbon and stuff while cleaning out these drawers as well, so I can use that in my packaging. So like I said, it's my packaging drawer. And I have to be careful because this top part I didn't realize that was broken. So in this middle drawer right here, I have just all my lip gloss making supplies. So like I have, as you all saw, I found these craft sticks, and my mom said I could have them. I'm so happy because now I don't have to buy none, because I was really looking at buying craft sticks, and these are big enough and perfect. So I'm gonna be using these to mix my glosses. Of course, I have my lip gloss tubes, my wand tubes. I also have my squeeze tubes, and I have my lip oil tubes in here as well. I have my pigments in here, my micro powder. I have my soap in here to clean everything. Plastic bowls, my syringes and pipettes are in here as well. So, and my face masks are in here. So this is just everything to make all my glosses. And down here in this last drawer, bring it up down. So it doesn't matter. And here in this last drawer, I have my Versagel, I have my flavoring oils, and I have my regular oils. So my next video I think I'm going to make is how I actually make my glosses. Or actually no, the video after this might be how I wash my tubes, because that video is coming soon. How I wash my tubes, and then after that video probably how I actually make my lip gloss and lip oils, because I have like another oil or two that will be on the way. And mind you guys, today is April 16th. Today's April 16th, if I didn't already put that in the video. So this is all getting done. I'm trying to get everything done quick because I have less than a month to launch. So I'm excited. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. I was thinking about pushing back my launch date, but to me it kind of makes no sense to do that. Just because right now I don't have, excuse me, don't have the money to get all of my supplies. Like the wand tubes that you see, in here, I only have 10 of those. Those are the only 10 I have, and I know at least 4 or 5 of those are going to go towards product pictures. So don't know what to do. I'm kind of stuck at the moment, but I'm gonna figure it out. God's gonna make a way. I will have everything by my launch date. I'm gonna try. I'm not going to worry, because I know things are gonna work out the way that they need to work out. So I'm putting that out there right now. But yeah, so this is just basically how I organize my inventory. I have more things that I need to get, but as of right now, this is what I got. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give me a big old thumbs up and smash the like button. It helps me out a lot. Let me know down below what else you would like to see in the comments. And y'all, we trying to get this ball rolling. You feel me? May 15th is right around the corner. So yeah, I'm trying to get everything done. I am going to be recording a few different videos. I was going to tell you guys, but I'm going to let that be a surprise. So I am going to record a few more videos for you all in terms of business stuff and how to really prep and whatnot. So yeah, but let me know down below in the comments what you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye guys.
Lean, drop a big papa, thinking need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect timing. Recommend they work low harder, switch the grind up temperature, the smoke is rising, where's the hydrant? Night and daily, dollars pay me, I'ma let her drop the draw.